Hi kids, how are you all? Let's learn some colors name. Brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, black color, dark green color, dark blue color, violet color, red color. Let's learn some 2D shapes. Square shape. This is square shape. This is heart shape. What shape is this? This is heart shape. The next one is trapezoid. What is this? This is trapezoid shape. Circle. Circle shape. Hexagon shape. This is hexagon shape. Rectangle. Rectangle shape. Let's start coloring. This is violet color. What color is this? This is blue color. Blue color. This is purple color. This is dark green color. Dark green color. Royal blue color. This is royal blue or dark blue color. Brown color. This is brown color.